Subscribe our channel Online Islamic Classes English for English videos, and also subscribe our channel Online Islamic Classes Urdu for Urdu videos, and don't forget to click on the bell icon for all the new videos so you will get all the notifications. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Hafiz Bilal Ahmed and you are learning Namaz for Men. Today inshallah we will start dua which we read after Durood Sharif. So let us start now. So the instructions are here. Following the Durood, recite any of these or any other sunnah du'as. Like this dua, mostly we read this dua, so you have to repeat after me now. Ra we connect with the ba, Rab, Ra is in heavy sound, Rab, and ba connect with the Jim, Bij, Rab, Bij. And there is a kalkala which is called weak kalkala. The kalkala letter is coming in the word, Rab, Bij. Ain connect with the lam, al, noon we connect with the ya, there is a ya madda, we long here, ni, rabbi ja'alni, rabbi ja'alni. Mim has dhamma, mu, qaf we connect with the ya madda, qi, muqi, and also make sure to read the correct sound of letters. If there are heavy letters coming, so heavy sound read. Muqi, mim connect with the swad, mas, muqimas, muqimas. Swad has fatha, sa, lam has a standing fatha, la we long, sala, ta has a kasra, salati, salati. Waw has fatha, wa, mim we connect with the noon, but there is a noon in pink color, so we make ikhfa sound like after the noon sakin or tanween if the next letter is ikhfa letters, which are 15 letters total. So we make the ikhfa sound here, wa miyo, so we hide the sound of noon here, wa miyo. Zal connect with the ra, zur, zal read in soft sound, zal connect with the ra, zur, and then ra connect with the ya, ri, zur, ri, ya has a fatha, we say ya, zur, ri, ya. Ra we also read in light sound because due to kasra under the ya. If fatha or dhamma come on the ra, so we read ra in heavy sound. If kasra come, we read light. So we say Zurriya. Ta connect with the ya, due to ya madda we long here. Zurriyati, Zurriyati, wa min zurriyati, wa min zurriyati. There are signs are coming like swale and qaf, which meaning is don't stop here. That's why we go to the next. Ra connect with the ba, Rabb, ba has fatha ba, Rabbana, now we long due to alif madda, Rabbana, Rabbana. Waw has fatha wa, ta has fatha ta, wata, qaf connect with the ba, qab, and ba connect with the lam, bal, wata qabbal, wata qabbal. Dal has dhamma, du, ain has fatha which we connect with alif madda, we long here, du'a'i, du'a'i. And here is a stop signs like circle and little tha, so that's why we will make stop. And if we stop on this type of place, so like in the end if hamza is coming, so what you will do, you will make a jerk sound. Okay, like you will skip a kasra under the hamza and you will put a sukun sign on the hamza, and then it will be dua. Okay, in the end hamza sound with jerk sound, dua. In the next, Ra connect with the Ba, Rabb, Ba has fatha Ba, Rabba, Noon connect with the Ghain, Now, Rabbanal, Rabbanal, Fa connect with the Ra, Fir, Ra is also in light sound right now. If Ra comes with Sukun sign, and if before letter has a Kasra, at that time also we read Ra in light sound. Fir, Lam connect with the Ya, there is a Ya Madda, Li, ربنا اغفر لي ربنا اغفر لي ربنا اغفر لي. Waw has fatha wa, lam has kasra li, wali. Waw we connect with alif madda by longing wa, wali wa. Lam has again kasra li, dal we connect with the ya, day, ya has fatha ya, dayya. Wali walidayya, wali walidayya. Waw has fatha wa, lam connect with the lam, lil, walil. Mim we connect with hamza, as hamza has a sukun sign on it. Waw we do not read here, so I told a rule, if hamza comes with sukun sign, we make jerk sound there, like we say walil mu, walil mu. Mim has kasra mi, noon we connect with the ya, ni, mi, ni. Ya madda is there. Noon has fatha na, minina. Walil mu'minina, walil mu'minina. Ya we connect with the waw, ya there is wawleen. Waw has sukun sign before there is fatha yaw. Mim has fatha ma, yawma, yawma. Ya has fatha ya, qaf we connect with the waw, qu, yaqu. Qaf we read in heavy sound and waw is madda letter, we long also, yaqu. Mim connect with the mu, lam, mul, yaqumul. Ha has kasra hi, sin has fatha and there is alif madda as well, we long, hisa. Ba has dhamma, bu, hisabu, yaqumul hisabu. And there is a stop sign. If we stop here, you can see there is a blue color. So if we stop, then this blue color will apply, like we make the qalqala sound and it will be again strong qalqala, and the qalqala letter is coming in the end. That's why we say hisab, yaqumul hisab. So say again with me, Rabbi ja'alni, Rabbi ja'alni muqimas salati, muqimas salati, wa min dhurriyyati, wa min dhurriyyati. ربنا ربنا وتقبل دعاء وتقبل دعاء ربنا اغفر لي ربنا اغفر لي ولوالدي ولوالدي وللمؤمنين وللمؤمنين يوم يقوم الحساب يقوم الحساب. Now again listen. رب اجعلني مقيم الصلاة ومن ذريتي ربنا وتقبل دعاء رب رب اجعلني مقيم الصلاة ومن ذريتي ربنا وتقبل دعاء ربنا اغفر لي ولوالدي وللمؤمنين يوم يقوم الحساب ربنا اغفر لي ولوالدي وللمؤمنين يوم يقوم الحساب. And now we move to the next page. Here is Salam. After saying this dua, Salam, we say, now turn your face to look at your right shoulder while saying, after Salah, if of great blessing to make dua, asking for your needs, to lift up your hands to make dua is loved by Almighty Allah and is also sunnah. So we say salam now. As-salamu, Hamza kuna with the sin. As-salah, we long. As-salamu alaykum. Alaykum, ya lean is there. Alaykum. Waw has fatha, ra kuna with the ha. Wa rahmatullahi. Wa rahmatullahi. And if we stop here, we say wa rahmatullah. In the end, ha sound comes, right? Wa rahmatullah. So we say Assalamu alaykum wa rahmatullah. So when we say Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah, you have to turn your face to the right shoulder first, and when you say second time Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah, so you have to turn your face to the left shoulder by looking on your shoulder and saying this salam. We say again this Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. So we say both together now. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Okay, Alhamdulillah, we have completed our namaz for men. If you have any kind of question, please leave a message after finishing your namaz and raise your hand for dua. And inshallah, I am trying also to start the Quran recitation and to teach you the Quran, how to read Quran. If you are willing to learn Quran, so please tell me in the comment section. Have a nice time. Stay tuned. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.